Hello, Sultan. How are you?
Hello, I'm great.
That's
And
good.
you?
Sorry, you had to wait. I had to restart the entire computer because
Mhm.
everyone cannot connect to my device. I don't know why.
Right, right.
Yes.
So, how are you doing today?
How am I doing? I am so busy. It's crazy. I have been very busy at work, and but now I'm feeling more relaxed because I'm on Cambly. And what about you?
I'm good. Today is weekend,
Hmm.
so I'm at home. I didn't go for the work. Yeah.
Nice, nice. So you're happy it's weekend, right?
Yes.
And what are your plans for the weekend?
Uh, Nothing special, but maybe I will go somewhere after taking this class.
Hmm.
And I was just watching movies before this, and that's all. This is what I usually do.
Nice. It sounds like me. I just work, watch movies, and relax. That's my life, literally.
Right, right.
Yes, yes.
That's cool.
Where are you from? Ooh,
Yeah, I am originally from Pakistan,
okay.
but I no longer live there. I am in Saudi Arabia now.
Saudi Arabia. I would love to see Saudi Arabia in the future. I'd love to visit. Yes.
Great, great. So, how many countries have you been to?
Oh, a lot, a lot. I've been to America, Australia, New Zealand, Italy, France, Spain, China, Japan, uh,
Hmm,
South Korea,
wow.
Egypt, Dubai. Um, so many, I can't even remember. Maldives. Yeah.
Great. And the reason of going there is to work or just to visit the country?
Oh, it's just for holiday. Yeah, just for holiday.
Ah,
Yeah.
great.
So I love
Excellent.
Dubai. Dubai is actually my favorite city.
Hmm.
Yeah. So
Right, right.
because
Hmm.
sorry,
Yes, please
say
go ahead.
what did you say?
Yeah, I was gonna ask you that which country did you visit in Japan?
In Japan. Well,
Hmm.
I just went to Tokyo. I just went to Tokyo in Japan.
Did you visit Disneyland over there?
No. I went to
No?
Disneyland in Florida. I've never been to Japan Disneyland. No.
Right.
Yeah. Have you been to Japan?
No, I have never been there.
Where did you
But
go?
no, this is the first time I am in Saudi Arabia.
Okay.
I didn't get chance to go to any countries before. So, this is the normal speed of speaking, or you talk slow for your students?
No, this is the way I speak. I don't speak very fast. In
Ah,
general, I just don't. I think it's also a class thing because in England, they say if you speak too quickly,
mhm.
you are considered low class in
Ah,
England. If you speak articulately and you pronounce your words beautifully and in a fashionable manner, you are considered upper class. And I do not
right,
want to be lower class.
right.
So therefore, I speak clearly, I would say, or slowly, because it just sounds better. Yeah,
That's great. That's great.
yeah,
Because in American English, they speak very fast,
very.
so it is very difficult to understand them.
Mm,
And as an English learner,
yeah.
I have always been confused that which accent, British accent or American accent, which accent should I follow? So
Mm.
what are your thoughts on it?
I think for me personally, I think it depends on the student. I would say for American accents, it's very basic. So the English is easier to understand because they use words that are more relatable and it's
Right.
not so confusing. For example, everything you see is what you say in America. For example, uh, they will say sidewalk, sidewalk. you know, so side walk, you walk on the side. Whereas in England, we would say footpath. So I think there's so many different ways of speaking English, but in my opinion, the British accent just sounds more beautiful and traditional because it comes from England. There's people that like to talk like that. All right, shall we go to page number 45? That is oval. They talk in a way that it flows very quickly. Whereas in
Right.
American accents, you can understand it better than British accents. Yeah.
Okay. So this is your regular job, or you do it as a part-time?
No, this is part-time. I am
Mhm.
actually a full-time psychologist.
Ah,
Psychology is my profession. Yeah.
great,
So
great.
yeah, yeah, it's
So,
hard.
mhm,
Yeah.
yes, please.
No, I'm saying it's very difficult because now the practice is all online. Everything we do now, because of the pandemic, it's all shifted on onto online counseling. So
Mhm.
when I speak to patients, it's online, whereas before I was able to go to the center and speak to my clients. So
Right.
that's what. So I'm on this chair basically all
Mm.
day.
Ah,
um, it's so uncomfortable, but I only do that for about 5 hours a day, and then I go to the
mhm,
gym, and then I come
right.
back, and then I have lots of free time, and then I teach online part-time.
That's pretty cool. And I can feel your pain because by profession I'm a teacher,
Oh,
and
really?
I teach English in an international school here in Saudi Arabia.
Oh, cool.
So I'm also giving online classes.
Yeah.
So I have the same problem
Hmm.
because I have to sit in front of a laptop for very long.
I don't know. I just need to get out of the country. I want to go to a warm country. I need to fly, and I'm moving, by the way. I'm leaving England next year for good.
Really?
Yes, because I can do my clients online. All my work
Uh-huh.
is online.
Okay.
Why do I have to live in a cold place? Why?
Right. Right. So where do you plan to go now?
I'm actually planning to move to Miami.
Miami.
Hmm.
So do you have friends over there or?
No, actually, I'm going to study acting,
Oh, okay.
film acting.
Mhm.
So I'm changing my career a little bit. I need to do something exciting because I work with people that are always sad and have problems. So I need to do something that's going to stimulate me because I'm artistic. So I'm going to do that whilst I work online and then hopefully go to Hollywood after that. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. If it does work, great. If it doesn't, that's okay. But I just want to have fun and enjoy the sunshine, you know?
Right, right.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
amazing. So
yeah.
Miami, if I'm not wrong, is in America.
It is America.
Uh-huh. Right.
Yeah, it is. God bless America and everyone in it.